everyone, my name is Blake. My brother is Bryce in HD. Today, I'm going to be unboxing the Turtle Beach X04s. This is brought to you by Turtle Beach. So, I started off with this headset. It's just the original one-eared Xbox headset. It ended up breaking, so I recommend if you have this, use it until it breaks, but then get a new headset. So first, I'm just going to show you my controller. This is the little adapter thing that has the volume on it, and it plugs into the bottom unless you see this little headphone jack. If you already have the updated controller that has a headphone jack in the middle, then you don't need this adapter. But I got this adapter because I have the original controller. Here, I'll get in. By the way, I've already had this headset. I just put it back in the box. We have a mic. Crap. And this is the little thing that that blocks out the background noise. Especially if you have a dog, keep it on. If you don't, then just take it off. Here's a headset. The headset is really comfortable. The earphones are like foam. The top is really comfortable because it's kind of a leathery part. And it's really comfortable. The sides are pretty cool. The ear plates are polymer though. What else? It says X04 right there. It's for Xbox One or PS4. It plugs into the bottom of the jack, right here. And then the mic goes on the left earphone, the one that has a cord sticking out of it. It's right here. You just stick it in until it clicks in. Then you just curve it, put it right here. Then whenever you're done, I recommend taking it out so it doesn't get bent. That's it. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.